Hello everyone, I am Dr. Manjita Parab, currently heading the Department of Chemistry. Our department comprises of 7 well-qualified and hard-working regular teaching faculty and 7 very cooperative non-teaching faculty. We also have a very good strength of students. Thus, our department is one of the largest departments of our college. After 12th science, you may have many options open, but if you finalize BSc, then why BSc Chemistry? As we all know that chemistry presently has ample of scope. There are various fields wherein there are job opportunities for a chemistry student. Thus, we can say that chemistry is a job-oriented subject. But before joining this, you should keep in mind that you need to have some liking towards the subject. Plus, you should be well prepared to put in 100% efforts and hard work. Now once you have finalized that you are going to take admission for BSc Chemistry, then comes why select only Parvatibai Chogle College. Parvatibai Chogle College has a very good student-friendly infrastructure. We at the Department of Chemistry offer single major chemistry, that is, a student who enrolls our department for first year BSc will learn 8 core courses and 12 elective courses by the time the student completes TY chemistry. This will help to strengthen and sharpen the basics in the subject and the applicative knowledge. We have a very effective BOS members who periodically revise the syllabus as per the requirements. The laboratories of our department are well equipped and we also have some sophisticated instruments required for undergraduation level. Our curriculum also involves courses like pharmaceutical chemistry, environmental chemistry, nanomaterial chemistry, colloidal and polymer chemistry, organic spectroscopy, which add weightage to the curriculum. These courses help the students later to clear entrance and any other examinations. Now, we also offer a course called SEC, that is Skill Enhancement Course in Chemistry. This course helps the students to draw a link between the gained theoretical knowledge and the practical applications of chemistry in day-to-day life. Now, it is not that we only bombard the students with study. There is also some type of fun in chemistry department. Along with studies, we also periodically organize informative talks, workshops, community outreach programs, intercollegiate events such that the student get a good exposure. Now, along with this, apart from chemistry, the students can also showcase their talents by participating at various events which are held in the college or intercollegiate events which are held in the other colleges of Goa. We at the Department of Chemistry take pride in mentioning that 2 of our students for the consecutive 2 years have topped the Goa University Academic Ranking Test. It is an examination conducted by Goa University for MSc aspirants. It is an entrance exam and it is a state level exam. And for last 2 years, our students have topped this examination. Now, apart from these students, there are many other students who have enrolled themselves for PG, and there are many other students who are well placed and settled in jobs. So, I believe that the credit for this will go to hard work of all the faculty members, the students, and also to the well designed curriculum. Now that you know our department in detail, there may be a next question in your mind is how to get a seat in the Department of Chemistry of Parvatibai Chogle College. We have limited seats and we basically have only 2 criteria. First criteria is that the student should have opted for chemistry as one of the subjects at 10+2 level, that is 12th level. And then second, the student must have scored minimum of 60% marks at their 12th science examinations. If you are willing to join the Department of Chemistry of Parvatibai Chogle College, then we at the department are welcoming you to our college and our department. Thank you.